Hey there, home decor lovers. Want to transform your space into a floral paradise? Stick around and I'll show you some simple yet stunning ways to use flowers both indoors and outdoors. Let's start inside. Picture this. A bright morning, you wake up and the first thing you see is a beautiful bouquet on your bedside table. Instant mood booster, right? Try using a mix of wildflowers and classic roses for a rustic yet elegant vibe. For a modern touch, go for monochromatic arrangements. Think all white lilies or vibrant sunflowers. Moving to the living room, a tall, clear vase with long-stemmed orchids can be a real game changer. Place it by the window where it catches natural light and watch it brighten up the entire space. Or if you're into something a bit more quirky, try a collection of small vases with single stems spread across your coffee table. It's like a mini garden right in your living room. Now let's head outside. Got a garden? Awesome! Consider creating a feature flower bed. Mix colorful perennials with seasonal blooms to keep the visual interest all year round. And don't forget hanging baskets. They're perfect for adding height and layers to your garden. If you're dealing with a smaller space or a balcony, no worries. Pots are your best friends. Use a variety of pot sizes and materials, terracotta, ceramic, or even DIY painted pots. Plant vibrant marigolds, petunias, or lavender for a pop of color and heavenly scents. Lastly, for a unique twist, try vertical gardening, install a trellis and let climbing flowers like jasmine or morning glories do their magic. It's a fantastic way to maximize space and add a lush green backdrop to your outdoor area. So there you have it. Simple tips to fill your home and garden with the beauty of flowers. Happy decorating. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you next time.